This is a test live for YouTube on the weekend backtesting. So we're gonna see how the uh, streaming look like, and we're gonna try to broadcast the backtesting session. Okay, so this is the scalping method, or more like a intraday method for New York session, and um, this method is based on support and resistance, and also supply and demand. Okay, I already completed about a week worth of backtesting. For now, we're gonna continue to the next day because the trade session is starting from uh, 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Malaysia time, GMT +8. And what we're going to do now is, since this session on Monday is completed, we're going to move to the next day, which is Tuesday. So I'm going to use the Forex backtester to move to the next day. So 7 p.m. on MT4 time is 14 hours. So now it's 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So this is good enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to clear out all the chart that we have, so that we start a new backtest session. We don't want to reuse the markup that we have from yesterday. Okay. Now we're going to start with H4. In H4, what we do is we're gonna first mark our SNR level. For that, it's easier to use line chart, and I prefer to make the chart a little bit bigger for the Y scale. So we have to identify the SNR level, which is here. Of course, this here, and also here. So 1, 2, 3. So price probably will play from here to here, here to here for this session. And I'll probably try to mark this as well. There's a significant drop before that, and of course there's a support which is formed here. So overall, you can see price is going bearish at the moment, but things can change during the session. So that's on H4. We move to H1 chart, and H1. Oh, sorry. So we need to copy all this SNR level to the H1 chart. So now it's on the H1, and on H1 I'll do the SNR level. One is so we don't have to make it so big. We just go until the period separator over here. This is the supply zone. This is a demand zone over here. I'll pick this one instead. Okay, and highlight all this zone as well. And then there's a demand zone over here. Okay, then the last one is a supply zone over here. Okay, another supply zone. Okay, so I think this is enough markup for us to play with during the session today. Price gonna just move from here all the way to here. So copy, then we have it on M30 and also the M15. So M15 is our primary entry time frame. As you can see here, just now we see overall price is going down here, but now it's making a pullback. So we can see on lower time frame, it's already make a pullback and start to go bearish. Then I'll see here also price have reject this, make a rejection here at the SNR level and go bearish over here. This will be a nice trade, but we missed this one. So let's go to M15 here and play the chart. So we wait for price to show us the move. It's a bit hard to trade now because price is already in the middle of the zone from here to here. I'll probably just wait for it to reject up here or reject down here. With one exception, probably we can consider if we break this low. Okay, so now price break the low, right? It already break the low. So as you can see, it actually reject this one. How I want to play this is I want to see it come and break it itself, and I'll put my stop here. So I'm gonna sell stop. The risk is always 0.5%. Oh, sorry. We target it to reach the H4, and then this is the entry line. This is the stop line. So 35 pips, and then our risk reward is kind of low, so but the stop is only 27 pips. So I think that's fine. We can put it back here. So we got 1.28. Okay, let's see. Okay, so price take the order and just play there. Just need to see, does it break this low? Oh no, it's not breaking this low. So okay, so we have a stop there. So price rejecting this low here, and it continued to went bullish over there. So that's the first trade that we took. I'm gonna do a journal on this one. It's not a very good trade, but that's what we see at the moment. Just now we have took the sell on break of low. So it looked like it actually reject this level before it make a continue to go up like that. Okay, so we put on our journal. This is number 10. This is June 7. The time was, it was 7:30, 7:26 p.m. June 7. Minus 255. 27 pip. R is minus 0.5. Then take the trade as the break low after a pullback on the way down. Okay. Yeah, okay, so that's a loss over there. Then we see, so now price is making support over here, and this is our supply zone. So we don't want to take the trade now. We want to wait and see what happens. At this moment, it's very hard to know where price is going to go. Still have a bearish bias, but I want to see it reject the H4 zone before I took the next sell. So now it's still doing nothing. Okay, let's see how this candle close. So now it go, oh, it break the H4 zone. Okay, so potential trade will be like 50% of this bullish engulfing candle, but this is a bit tough to trade because yeah, this is a bullish move. However, it's opposed the bigger trend on H1. As you can see, H1 is bigger bearish, and this was the pullback zone. So support become resistant potential move just now, but this candle just ignore that and go up there. So that's okay. We let it do what you want to do. So now you can see it break the higher or not. It does not. No, it does not break. Now it break. Okay, so now it break that high all the way to the up, the level up there. That will be hard to trade. Okay, so let's see. Price continue to do its thing. Okay, so this is a big engulfing candle. Let's see how it look like on M30. So M30 also is a big bullish engulfing candle. I want to go long on this until here, okay, until this zone. So we will see the risk reward on this one. Retracement. So the pullback, we want to wait at the 50% pullback, but that's a big stop. Okay, buy limit. TP here, entry here, and let's set our stop at 30 pips. 30 pips will be okay. 30 pips here is a fair amount because if you pull back all the way below this zone, it's a bit dangerous. So now you got about 1.5 R from it, so you can take this trade. Let's see if it tap. Come on. Nope, it does not. If it tap, it tap. If it does not, that's fine. Do not FOMO it. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, so we are in the trade and it go bullish. Come on, close bullish. So this is a very tough situation, especially if you are in a live trade because price move pretty fast, and you know. Let's see if there's a news. Okay, I'll download the news next session. This one probably a news candle. That's why it moved like really fast. Close bullish, close bullish. Come on, close bullish. So currently we are slightly less than 1 R, 0.5 R. I mean. So our risk is $250 per trade because it's a 50,000 account. No, don't do that. Okay, so now it put back a bit the lot. I believe there's a news here, but I do not see it on the calendar because I did not download the news. So now, if this candle close bullish, there's a big potential that it will continue to go up because this creating a support for it to go up further. This is a support level. Okay, so we just wait for it to do its thing. We can now it's 14 hours. That's still 14 hours is 8 o'clock at night. Still a long time in the session. Still long more time in the session. I believe there's a news. 7 June. Let me pull this and look at the Forex Factory calendar. 14 June. 7 June, sorry. Oh. June. Oh no, there's no news except for 10 p.m. There's no USD news or gold news. Okay, so we're good. So let this trade plays out. Now you make a, now in the first 5 minutes you make a low and create a reaction. Come on. If this one break is on high or break the previous candle high over here, that will be a good trade. Okay, as you can see here, now we are slightly lower. Okay, this will be very challenging in live market. But let's keep it simple. Just follow the SOP. After all, we are in a backtest mode anyhow. We're not losing any money. So now, as you can see here, there's a lot of rejection here. Price have a hard time close above this level. So we can choose to, okay, if this closes a pin bar, that would be great. Okay, now that's tricky price action, rejection on the top, rejection on the bottom as well, and creating a higher low, lower high, and also higher low. All we need is just one push to break above all this candle. Okay, so at this point of time we are above 1 hour. Looking at this situation, I decided to close this trade because it's already above our 1 hour, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this trade, and that will come in because there's too much rejection around here. So I'm gonna close. Is this close? Very close. Oh my god, sorry. Oh, I can just let it play out. Um, this is 16 16 plus 5 9 9 9:30. Okay, let's make it, let's play out a little bit because it's 9:30 now. 9:30, no. This is a tough session to trade. Now it's closing bearish, but it's making a higher high and lower low at the same time. Okay, so this will be the point that we need to really watch out. And you come back to entry level. So price managed to close above that, and you need to close above this level. If this one closed bullish, that will be a good support for us to go up, to continue to go up. So let's hope this one close bullish and make a support for price to continue to go up. All you need to do is just break this, how to say, yeah, so you're making a support now, break this level, close above this level. So here we are at 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, it closed exactly at that level. Okay, so I decided to close all the trade here now because I don't want it to reject this and continue to go bearish. So look like this will be the only trade we're gonna have for tonight. Closing. Close this. So that will be trade number 11. The date is 7 June. 7 June time. Open time is, let me see. This trade was open at this trade was open at 14 hours. That's mean no, it triggers at 14:06 7:06. Wow, this trade lasts the whole session. No, PNL 337. So if we then our SL is stop loss is 30 pips. Sorry, I forgot about that. 30 pips, and then 37 divided by 125. 237 divided by no, it's not 125. 237 divided by 250. It's 1.34. took trade at the 50% of the Bearish Engulfing candle. Okay, so that's our close all. Then I'm gonna screenshot this to make the journal. So this was my entry. Sorry, just need to. The entry was here at 50% of that. This big engulfing candle. This is an M30. So this is a bullish engulfing, and we close here. Close at rejection zone. There's possibility that this price will continue to go up because it already make a support here after it make a support here, but it just feel like too emotionally taxing to wait for it to tap the H4 zone. But let's see. Boom. Yeah, exactly what we expected. It tapped the H4 zone. That's okay. I'll still be happy with this trade if I trade it like. Okay, so now price is at the H4 zone. Wow, look at that. It went up like pretty a lot. Another like 16 pip after we close on this candle. Okay. So support now is here. We'll see how the price react. If this one closed bearish and make a rejection candle, we possibly can go short or sell according to the following the big trend. Now is an indecision candle. If this one closed bearish, then you're gonna make the reversal chart pattern. Okay, wait. So now, what happened is it make a reversal chart pattern over here. So it's a bit hard to take a sell over here because these are both indecisive and this is a bullish pin bar. So I want to see this candle close bearish and I'll take at the 50% of this candle. So we got like another 12 minutes on this candle. Let's see how it plays out. Oh, sorry. I was looking at something else. Okay, so as you can see here, this candle has closed bearish engulf, and this candle is indecisive, and here is another bearish pin bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sell limit let's be a little bit conservative since we already have one win for the day. Let's take here. That give us 16 pip stop. Okay, that's fair enough. Then we try to hit this support level over here. So let's see if it plays out per our plan. No, it's not doing it. Okay, so the session is over. Our trade is not triggered. So what's gonna happen is we just gonna cancel this. It's almost like 12 midnight, so we're gonna cancel this pending order. So we only have one trade for the night. Okay, so basically that's end of the day for 7th of June 2022 Tuesday. So we're gonna move to the next day. Wow, if we don't close our limit order, it would have triggered and then TP of the session. But hey, that's not our money. It's yeah, we're not gonna leave the trade until here. Okay, so 13 hours. I'm gonna go to H4 again. This will be the same, but this gonna change. Then I'm gonna this one probably change. You know what? Let's clear this thing up before. Let's clear these things up. Template. It's best if we start with a clean slate so we can see things more clearly and not being influenced by the previous bias. Okay, so resistance level as usual is here. Okay, next one is support level over here. Then support level here. Bum, bum, bum. Next one should be here. Okay, so this gives us enough zone for the price to play with, and we're gonna clone this to H1. In H1 we draw our supply and demand level. We just need to draw it to the next session, until the next session, sorry. Like that, and this one is of course here, boom here, and this one I'll take this. So it look a bit weird, but I'll take this one. Okay, select all this zone, then we clone it to the next time frame, lower time frame M30. Okay, we don't have to refine it. Then this one look like we don't really have to refine it as well. That's okay. So now price is near the supply zone, and let's see the bigger time frame. So bigger time frame look like still bearish. If we look at H4 sideways, let's zoom out a bit more. Sideways, huh? Okay, sideways on the high zone probably go down. Okay, so I'll stick with my bearish bias overall, and then we look at M15 for our entry. Test. Okay, so the chat is still live, but my video feed having issue. I'm not sure why. Oh, okay. So price pierced the zone there. Okay, So this is what happens. Usually people have stop loss here, then the price take the stop by a little bit, and boom, it goes down. Okay, let's just wait for the bearish pin bar to form. All right. So the trade plan here is very simple. We want to see this candle close as bearish engulfing. No, not bearish engulfing, bearish pin bar, and we're gonna take it after it make a high and come back low. Take it below the, the bottom break. Okay, so now we got 10 more minutes for this candle to complete. 5, 7, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, so this is the perfect setup. Sell stop loss up here. Our entry is here, and then so the stop is 32 pips, pretty decent. Then we can aim for this one or this one. Okay, let's aim to the M15 body. Then we get 2R. Although this is a bit risky, but let's just do it. Why not? Right. So that's okay. We can see now candle is making a high, which is totally fine. If it continue to go high and did not take our order, that's fine. But now it make a top wick. Oh, making a higher wick, and a big rejection wick would be very beautiful if it does. Still making that top wick. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so this candle closed bullish. This zone is still valid. If this one break, then the sell idea. Okay, boom, it took the sell stop. Sell stop, sell stop is triggered, and we are in the trade. But wow, look at that rejection. Oh no. That's scary. Okay. Good that it closed bearish below this, and then we'll see. We'll see if this one need to break low and do not break high. Do not break high. If it does, we're gonna hit stop. Or forming a okay. Now it's forming a top wick. Top wick, top wick. As long as it doesn't break this high, I think this setup may be still okay. Okay. So you make a high first. Oh no, it might break that high. Okay, I think probably this will have a stop loss. Yep, we hit the stop. So it looks like price is making a support here to continue to go high. Although this setup was working, it goes down like 12 pips, 12 pips, and then boom, it goes up. But it's okay. Let's see how this candle close. So for the next move to happen, we really need to see a clear bearish pin bar printed. This is not very clear, so oh, still bullish, huh? I cannot buy here because this is a sell zone, and then this candle is not a bullish engulfing. Let's check M30. Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Okay, so looking at this situation here, we have a big engulfing candle here from this zone to this one. This one make a rejection, but this is keep making a high. So I want to change the bias to bullish, and what I want to do is I want to take a buy. Where is my Fibonacci? I want to take a buy at the 50% level of this M30. This is M30 and engulfing, bullish engulfing candle. So 50% is here. Buy limit. Set my stop here. Entry price is here. We give us like 20 pip stop. Okay, that's fair enough. 20 pip stop. Okay, just in case. Then we go up. Even if you go up here, it's already 1 hour. But let's see where's the next level. So we can go to the top of this candle and we got 1.6. Okay, I think that's fair enough. There's a rejection candle here also. So let's target that. 1.6 is fair. Okay, so are we gonna get triggered or not? If you're not triggered, that's fine too. Wait. You know what? I did not journal this, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pause this trade and then I take this screenshot. Take a sell. Take sell at 50% of the bearish engulfing candle, then stop out here. Okay, so journal that. Make sure we have journal. If we lost, we journal it. If we win, we also journal it. Yeah, okay, so today is let me see when was this trade took. 17 June 8. June 8, 17. Mm-hmm. 13:30. That's like 6:30 p.m. Yeah, it's a bit early. It's 256. Wow. Stop was 32 pips. R is minus 0.5. Okay, so you have journal on that one. And let's wait for this trade to trigger then. Okay. No, it doesn't take our buy limit. That's fine. Oh, okay. So, guess there's a news there on the 8th of June. 8th of June. Yep, that's CPI news. Hey, no, 8th of June. There's no news 8th of June. Price just want to do what it does. 8th of June. I'm gonna delete our pending. So this is a tough day, This is zone up there. Let's see how big is this kind of a swing. Wait. 30 pips. It's a clear zone to the left, basically, and even if you take something, this is the only potential zone. I'm not sure this is rejecting or continue to move up. So let's see M30. This is M30. How about H1? H1 actually look great, and it break this high. Okay, and it's for 15 minutes to the hour. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take this trade on. I'm gonna wait for pullback to take this trade up. Okay, buy limit. 3. TP is up there. Stop this. Let's see if I measure this. Where's the 50%? 50% is here, which is supposed to be already triggered. Put my stop below this candle, and then hit the TP there. Okay, let's see what happened there. Yep. Okay, so we triggered. Now we're gonna move. Okay, so still printing a higher high. No break low. Wow. Okay, let's just accept the risk. There's nothing to be done there. Don't add to the trade. This will be the second trade for the day for this session. Now we make a lower low. We need to see this go bullish to make a support, else this is not gonna turn out well for us. Boom. Yep, it doesn't turn out well. Exactly. Okay, so now at this point of time, I think it's okay. Hold on. Let me just. This is tough. Okay. You know what? We have 2 consecutive loss for the night. I think we can end the session. 3%. So how much is lost on this one? 255. Okay. Trade number 13 is also a loss. Trade number 13. 8 June. June 8. The sun was stuck on the 15. 8:45 p.m. Minus 255. ATR is 30. just range. Oh. Okay, so this is the next day. It's just let's just clear the template, clean it up, clean it up, clean it up, clean it up. Let's have a fresh view of that session as usual. Okay. Go to line chart, mark our SNR level. Do the same thing every day, the same thing. Don't make it change. Then, yep. If price continue to go down, we can target here. If we continue to go up, we target here. Okay. Clone. Then we go to H1. Okay, H1 we mark SNR level as usual. SNR level, mark it until here. I mean SND zone, sorry. Mark this one as well. Then mark this support zone, supply demand zone. Then there's this. Okay, I'm just going to do this. Oh. Okay. This is SSR zone actually. So it can support and resistance. You see. So I'm gonna mark this, although it's not up here on H4, because this is a significant support and resistance level. And clone updated selected. Okay. Wait. I think I need to mark the zone. Oh, I'll pick this. Alright. Then we go to HM15. Then we'll see the price action. Okay. Go up to the zone. Okay, rejecting the zone. Whoa. Come on, man. How to trade that? It's not possible. Okay. This is the time we can just only watch. There's nothing we can do about it. Just gonna YOLO it. Bam. Okay, so this is a wait. So okay, previous bar. Next bar. What? Oh wait, no wonder. Okay, previous bar. So now this is a bearish engulfing, and if you can see here, trend are going down. And let's see at the higher time frame, also bearish, right? Our overall H4 is still bearish. Let's see bearish trend. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the trade at the 50% of the 50% of that engulfing candle. Fibonacci retracement. Take that, put it here. So that's my 50% level. I'm gonna sell limit over there. The stop is above this candle, like that. TP will be, I want to TP at this candle low, and I'll take it here. That will give us 1.68R. Okay, let's go. As you can know, it triggers because we can see the candle just now. I make a mistake. It will triggers. Okay, I think it's triggered. It's a bit after the fact because I accidentally changed this just now. And now we float quite heavily. Yep. Then we go to positive again. So don't BE, don't move your stop loss for sure. Don't layer. Just keep it simple, you know. That's something we can backtest. And now we're in a profit. Then we continue to do its thing. We are 1 hour already. We can close if we want to. But we just gonna hold the trade. And I think it's gonna continue bearish tonight. Okay. So now it's only like 9 p.m. No, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Boom. Yep. So first trade for the night was for the session is a profit 1.68R as you can see just now. Then we generate. Okay, this is a good trade on M15 because it's the same on M50 as well. So basically we took it on this 50% here. TP at low here. Okay. Remember, no BE, no layer. No layer. Okay. Just keep it easy. That's the best thing to do. Right, so this trade number 14, 1.68R, number 14. The date is the date is 9 of July. June, 9 of June, sorry. 9 of June, and the time was 19 or 9 p.m. 7 p.m. basically. PNL is 424. See, that's good, right? 424, and then that's like 1.68R, 1.68R. Oops, our stop was 30 pip, I guess. I remember. Okay, so it's like 28 pips. See, very good. 28 pip, 1.68. Took a trade at the 50% of the bearish engulf candle rejecting SZ supply zone. Okay, so it tapped the H4. Yes. Okay, that is continuing for the night. Let's see how price action plays. Whoa, look at that. That's crazy. But who would expect it go down here, right? Nobody would. I guess you're gonna tap that and make a monster profit. But we can look for rejection of this zone to buy, or we can wait for it to break and continue in bearish. Let's just let the price action plays and see. Okay, so look, this is a, bullish pin bar, and this is M30, M15. So on M30, it looked like a rejection of the zone. Okay, so the plan here is really simple. So what we want to do is, this is a bullish rejection candle. We're gonna buy stop. Okay, we're gonna do a buy stop. We target we're gonna reach this SNR level. We buy stop above this pin bar, and our stop is below here, so that will be like 28 pip almost. Then let's see what happened. Play the market. Boom. If we continue to break the low, then it will not trigger. Now it make a nice rejection wick. Continue to go up, we are triggered, and we are triggered. We are triggered. But there's slight trick on this one, which is this one, SR flip. Okay, let's see. Woo, that's scary. Because there's a SR flip zone, it might continue to go bearish. Yep. Okay. So it looked like it's keep rejecting this SR flip zone. I decided to close this trade at minimum profit. Okay. As you can see here, if you want to continue, you will continue. But instead, you keep rejecting this level. This is rather ugly, and I'll choose to close this one. So let me journal this also. Have to be able to react to the situation, because if we continue to reject there, so this is a SF. Oh, sorry, I meant to draw here. Okay, let me just use this color. So this is a SF flip zone, right? Potentially do something like that. This rejection actually make me worries. Okay. So close at RCB. Okay. So let's close on, right? Then it does not look good. So our PL is 50 only. But instead of that, we potentially can, we can take a sell. Or not. You know what? I'm the indecisive over here, so I'm not gonna take the trade. I don't have to take the trade. So this is 9 of June, 9 of June. And the time was 7:02 p.m. Is it? No, 8:02 p.m. 28 pips. R is like 0.25. It's a bad trade in the first place, so decided not to take the risk. Okay, now I'm looking at this this scenario. Okay, we see here. Price is making a low breakdown here, but however it reject here. Is that a real rejection, or is just a pullback to continue to go down and break this low? So that's the thing I am contemplating about. And for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably use sell limit over here. Okay, here's the M30. Take wow, it's a huge candle. Oh my god, it's already triggered. Okay, it is what it is. Sell limit, stop here. Okay, then TP. Wow, it is 1 to 1. Okay, maybe we can TP here. 1.12. Okay, now it triggered. We are triggered. If this candle close bearish pin bar, then it will continue to go down hard, because this is a bearish engulfing candle. Whoa, look at that. Actually goes up pretty a lot from our previous closing point. Yeah, let's see in the lower time frame, more action. So now it's making a lower low. Okay, lower low, however making a rejection, struggle. There are a lot of people who trade reversal buying over here. Let's see. Next bar, we just wait. Okay, so making a low high, lower low. This next candle just need to continue to make a lower low to go bearish. Oh no. Wow. Now that is tricky. This buy idea will have worked quite okay. I don't know if you're gonna meet our TP target or not. But there's a wow. But this is, oh no. We almost hit our TP. I mean stop loss, sorry. That's not even a TP, that's a stop loss. Stop loss. Okay. Okay. There you go. Wow. The original idea of rejection really works. Yeah, would have TP. So our sell idea doesn't work. Okay, it's rejected already. And then the buy idea would have worked. So at 50% of BE candle. Stop out. Okay. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. See how you look like an MTT. Whoa. Yeah, there's a strong pullback there. No, one win, not really a winner. So, okay, I'll consider it a loss. So, that's done for tonight. I mean, don't try to beat this market. It's a bit hard this today. Now, I can consider it if it's reject this one for the first time. At this point of time, I don't know. This buy is a bit dodgy as well. Okay, this bullish engulfing above this, but miss it. Yeah. Oh, it would have. I don't know. I'm gonna trigger. Okay. Let me just journal this first. 16 June 9. June 9. Oh. So okay, we already have 3 trades today. So this is the last trade. I just gonna next bar. Yeah, next bar. Okay. This trade would have played, but there's no more trade balance for tonight. It's the trade quota is met. 3 trade. 15, 20 or 5. Cannot sell because price have already tapped. Okay. All right. So let's continue to the next day. Wow. Sell will have been good. Okay, 13. Whoa, there's a news there. There's a big news or what? 9. Yep. There's a USD CPI news. So that's why this thing happening. But that's kind of early. Okay, never mind. Change, clean up the template. Clean up the template. Then we clean up the template. Default. Okay. Then we do this. Scale fix. Then change to line chart. Then we zoom in a little bit. Okay. Mark the SNR level again. SNR level. Okay. Oh, it's not very good. One over here first. So okay, this is enough because we are trading in this range. Don't need to go too far. Go to H1. Mark the SND zone here. And here. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay, let's see. So let's look at M15 first. M15 price is rejecting. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. So now it goes up and then it rejects, but the overall trend is bearish. So I'm gonna take a sell at 50% of this guy. This TP here. This stop will be like, oh, 45 pips. That's too much. It's okay. Okay, triggered. Oh. Come on. It's quite a nerve-wracking trade though. Close a bearish pin bar would be great. Yep, that's good, that's good. Have a high potential to hit our TP there. Yep, 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 yep. You're already in the profit. Boom, boom. Okay. So first trade. Basically trading in overall big time frame direction, I would say. And so we do the same thing. Put the trade at the 50% of this rejection candle. PE rejection candle. So yesterday not yesterday, the day before we took a trade in this direction, right? We want to continue bullish if, for example, like this. But as you can see here, this already tapped here and it's already reject. So that's why I was looking to sell just now. So that was the trade idea. And we journal this number 17. The date is 10 of June, and it was at what? Where's that? Trades. So it was at, where was it? It's like 6 p.m. 10 p.m. No, you can catch this or not, but that's fine. PNL was 3363 and it was 64 pips. Wow. I remember the stop was like 45 pips. R is 1 point, how much just now? 363 divided by 250. 363 divided by 250. 1.45. Okay. Oh, 1.45. Okay. Yes, it does it. Yep. Let's see. Yep, it does that. Oh, wait. Did I do the wrong thing? No. Oh, wow. That's a lot, huh? Ooh, it's hard. I don't know how to trade this. Next candle. Whoa. Okay, there's no way I can trade this. I remember this night thinking price just fly. Okay, you know what? This is a news night. So basically it's gonna be very hard to trade. And the price just range after that. Okay. The only potential entry will be here at this candle, but again this zone is here, so probably I will not take it. unless if I take it here, which I doubt I'll do because I was in a bearish bias. Anyway, that's that. So there you go. We have completed the we have completed like 2 weeks of 2 weeks of June 2022 backtest, and here is the result that we have. I'm gonna hide that. Okay, so I did not. Okay, this is no. This is not. So okay, so as you can see here, we managed to get 11% using 1% per trade, using purely set and forget method. Entry method is this one. I'll say like 1% here. Okay, so altogether only like 17 trade, and it's very possible to pass FTMO in this case, right? Using this method. Okay, so that's all for this week. We'll probably continue to backtest again next week, and till we meet again.